Today we're going to play with an app called Light Lab, which lets you go from this to this quite quickly. Let's go check it out. The Canva homepage. Let's open up a document that is suitable for a book cover. So custom size. I choose that 1600 by 2560. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we help authors use Canva for their book marketing. If you're an author and would like to talk to other authors, come join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. And if you would like to buy me a cup of tea to say thank you for all this good work that I'm doing, you can do that here. What we're doing is we're looking at an app called Lightroom, and we're going to choose an image. This is the image that I've chosen. I found this in the Canva library. It's quite a nice image of a woman looking out the window, but it's a bit dark, really. And I would like her to be looking out at a sunset, for example. So I'm going to duplicate this image and we'll work on this one. Right, so we are going to go to Apps and we are going to look for Light Lab. Now this is a Canva Pro app, so you will need Canva Pro for this. If you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, there is a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, but it won't cost you any extra. So there are all these different presets that you can use. Unfortunately, it doesn't let you preview the presets, but there are sort of lots of different shades and things that you can use. But I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to add light effects. Now already the picture is brighter than it was before. So that's quite cool. You can't change the colors, which is a bit unfortunate. So I'm going to make this light source more orange, and it's coming from there. And this light source a little bit, maybe from there. As you adjust it, it shows up on here. So let's take it there. I think I like this one. I'm going to make it a bit more intense. So the intensity is there, like the distance. There we go. Bring it closer. There. That's quite nice. And we're going to save. And that's what it used to look like. That's what it looks like now. So you've changed the mood of the picture completely. And you can use this if you've got an image that's perfect apart from it's too bright or it's too dark. If you're doing social media images and you want something with a more autumnal light or a more wintry light, you can do that too. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please tell all your friends, and I will see you in the next video.